The power was turned on, but the water does not flow into the washing machine's water tub. Why? Turn on the washing machine. Now let's see whether the water is coming into the washing machine or not. Here you can see water is not coming into the washing machine. Water could not flow into the washing machine's tub because either the water tap was turned off, turn it on, or there is a blockage in the inlet hose to the feed valve filter. Remove the filter attached to the inlet valve and check whether the water has been stopped coming in due to debris on the filter. Clear the blockage and put it back. Or the third reason could be the inlet valve is faulty. Change the inlet valve.